Hey guys, this is Mega Millions Mike and Bree the Gambler. Let's get ready for an adventure.
Hello, Howard, Matlock. These are your winning numbers. Then we got 18, 20 bucks. Okay, so you got 50 bucks. So you got 25. You got 25 in your pocket. I'm so glad. Use it. Oh, damn. You got 50 bucks in your pocket. Let's see who you are. Scratching away. You got 50 bucks over here in your pocket. Good for you. $9, $29. What? Yes, 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 yes. We got 100 high five. Yes, look at that. That's amazing. This is the first time that I've seen 100 in this game. That's amazing.
Dollars. I don't think we've ever had that amount yet on a giveaway, so that's a lot of money. I'm so happy. Congratulations.
We actually won $500.
My name is Jahida.
We got some China tickets. Mia. Look at that! I never won so much. So I Miss Maddie and $50. Boom!
It's Angel, Laura. We're gonna be millionaires. Subscribe for more of our adventures, okay? Come on.
Mega Millions Mike. Forever.
Hello everyone, so we're getting ready to start our giveaway. So we have 6 lucky scratch offs here. I feel like they're gonna be very, very lucky today. And we have 5 different giveaway people that have a chance to win big. Oh wait, but we have 6 scratch off tickets. So we have another entry, and that is me. Ha 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 ha. I'm gonna win it all. Okay, so let's see. Alright, so the first entry we have is Glasgow Scratches Better. Good luck to you, my friend. Feeling lucky today. So the next one we have is Howard Matlock. Good luck to you too. Let's all win big. Alrighty, there we go. Let's put that on there. We have Colin Rich. Good luck as well. Right there. Precious Scratcher. Your spot is going to be right there on this lucky scratch off. Then we have FF 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hope I said that correctly. Good luck to you. We're going to put you right here. And we have the lucky entry right here, Angel. We're going to put myself on this incredibly lucky scratch off right here. So let's see. May it forever be in all of our favors today. So this is the $500 Madness scratch off, and that's a pretty good prize. If you win that prize, you can go ahead and buy a PS5 like I did for Mike. And if you haven't seen that video of where I surprised Mike, you should definitely check it out. It's pretty cool. Surprise! Swim, swim. Get away. Okay, let's first see our winning numbers for today. For this card, we have 2, 14, we have 12, we have 18, we have 16, and we have 27. Okay, so let's see what the first number is. We have 1. We have 39. 9. We have 25. We have 22. 28. 37. 13. Almost. Not quite. 32. 21. No. 30. 17. 34. There's still a chance. 20. And 35. Oh no. So this one was for me. That's okay. There's always next time. Can't win them all. Alright, so the next one we have, let's see if they're a little bit more, lucky than I was. So the first one is 19. We have 35. We have 24. 38. We have 17. And we have 32. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first one, 25. We have a 6. We have 37. We have 12. 15. 18. 21. 4. There's still a chance. 30. 20. Come on. 39. Come on, we want to win one. 2. 26. 2 more spaces. 33. And last but not least, 31. Oh, this one's not a winner this time. So this was a precious scratcher. So unfortunately, you're not a winner. But if you keep supporting our channel, I'm sure there will be other opportunities to win in the future. It's looking bright. Okay, so let's do this one next. Alrighty, so let's scratch off. Okay, we have 4. We have 31. 28. 38. 24 and 15. Okay, let's do this one. This one is 11. 7. 35. 32. 8. 25. 39. 6. 1. My oh my. 20. There's still a chance. We still have a whole nother row. 2. 36. 37. 13. And 30. Oh no. I'm super sorry to Howard Matlock, but again, if you keep supporting our channel, there will be other opportunities to win too. So let's see the next one. We need a winner. 20. We have 4. We have 3. 39. 17 and 22. Okay. Got a good feeling about this one. So let's see, 37. 29. Oh my goodness. 27. Oh. 36. 9. Ooh, 33. 26. 12. 30. 25. 11. 21. 34. 28. And last but not least, 8. Oh no, my goodness. Colin Rich, I'm so sorry about that again. We're having a hard time winning today, but keep supporting the channel. It's gonna look up another time, okay? Alright, we have 2 more. Hoping for a winner. So 24, 31, 29, 38, 2, and 12. Okay. Let's see here. 37, 1, 21, 33, 3, 26. Oh, 10x, that's a good one. We'll wait for later to reveal the prize. 8, 39, 35, 20, 20, yep, 23, 36, 34, 22. Okay, my goodness, let's see what the big prize is for this one. Wow, 10 times 50. Oh my goodness, who won this prize? This was, dun, 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 congratulations, off 7, 8, and, wait, 8, 9, and 10. Congratulations, this is a winner. Wow, that's $500. I don't think we've ever had that amount yet on a giveaway, so that's a lot of money. I'm so happy. Congratulations. Now you can go ahead and buy yourself a PS5. That's so cool. I'm so happy for you. Yeah, let's see. We have one more scratch off, so let's see if they're lucky too. Okay, so one more time. The winner of this grand prize is FF 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you just won 10x times 50. That's a great prize. So yes, congratulations on that one. It's amazing. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and scratch off this one. Okay, let's see here. This is our last one for the day. Ready? 33, 13, 18, 17, 11, and 7. Okay. 32, 23, 21, 25, 2, 34, 15, no, 12, 19, 16, there's still a chance here for, we have 29, 14, 31, last but not least, 22. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Glasgow scratches better. Unfortunately, you did not win, but yeah, keep watching. There'll be other chances in the future. Yay. A little recap. So we had 6 giveaway tickets that we just did. 5 were losers, but 1 was a $500 winner. So yeah, that's nothing to take lightly. That is a big win. So again, congrats. Yes. That's amazing. That is such a crazy coincidence that they won $500 and they can literally go buy a PS5 right now. It's just crazy how sometimes you can make an investment or take a chance and you can make all your money right back. So yeah, take risks. Okay everybody, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next giveaway. Good luck. Okay, did. So happy you did.
Not taking a dip in the pool, but check out all these members here. Thank you for all the support and the much love. And don't forget to join this membership to check this out. You never know.
Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support, guys. So much.